guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vivian. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make Dalgona/matcha coffee. Here are some ingredients that you may need: matcha powder, a whisk, a bowl, whipping cream, Nestcafe, sugars, and natural almond milk, or any kind of milk that you prefer. Here comes the preparations part. All you need is 2 spoons of instant coffee. Pour everything into the bowl. You may need a little help of your spoon. Just try to grab everything down. Next, 2 spoons of sugar. Do it just like previously. Pour everything into the bowl. Finally, you need 2 spoons of hot water. Make sure it's nice and boiled. You just want to put everything in and mix it all together. Now here comes the interesting part. You want to whisk it till it blends nicely. If you're not using an electric hand whisk, it may take you around roughly 2 minutes to whisk till she's thick. Now you can tell it's going into a lighter color. This is what you're looking for. You're on the right track. Just continue to whisk. There you go, you finally have the whipped cream. It's nice, thick, and creamy. You want to make sure it's nice and thick that it won't fall out from the spoon. It would add a great textures in the coffee. Now take out a nice glass that you like. Pour a great amount of ice cube that you want. You can do it with any kind of milk, but for now, I'm just gonna go with almond milk, my all-time favorite. Here comes the fun part. You want to pour all the whipped cream that you have just made into the coffee. You can use your spoons and give over the glass nice and even. If you want to decorate it, you can dip some coffee powders on top. It's very Instagrammable. If you're not a coffee drinker, I'm gonna show you how to make a matcha version of Dalgona. All you need is 2 spoons of matcha powders, 2 spoons of sugar, finally, 2 spoons of hot water with 1:1 ratio, and mix it all together. You want the sugars and the matcha are nicely mixed together till you can't see it. It will give you a very nice dark green color. You want all the ingredients to integrate it nicely. Now comes the second part. You want to make your own whipped cream. I'm going to pour 150 milliliters of whipped cream of my choice into the bowl. Whisk it nicely. It will take sometimes roughly around 2 minutes. Continue whisking and experience the transformation. Now you want to pour all the matcha that you have made previously into the whipped cream bowl. Continue to whisk and have the matcha color blend nicely with the whipped cream. You just want to do it like that, blend and all over again, till you have the light cream color of matcha. You want to blend greatly to create a moist texture, and it's ready. Get yourself your favorite glass and pour a great amount of ice cube that you want. You can have any kind of milk you prefer. For now, I'm gonna go with almond milk. You're going to repeat the following step of Dalgona. Pour all the matcha whipped cream on top of your milk. You can do a thick layer, it depends on you, however you like your drinks to be. I like my drinks to be filled with very, very thick whipped cream. I just like the texture of the whipped cream. And now you can decorate it and blend it nicely. Perhaps you can also put some matcha powder on top. It is very easy, isn't it? You can do it at your home. It may be your favorite drink of the summer. Thank you for watching. Have yourself a Dalgona.